Okay, so excuse me. Okay, so let me chat for a little bit. I guess the subject I can probably talk about is my channel a little bit. Some of you know I like to do a little bit of cooking here and there. Sometimes you hear me talk about finance issues and stuff like that. But my channel is basically um, caters to being self-sufficient as much as possible. It also caters to how to. I'm always preaching save money for a rainy day, such as establishing a emergency fund. Don't matter how much you started with. Get your food pantry started. Just being prepared for insane times like what's going on now with this administration. And it seemed like it's getting chaotic and chaotic. So I always like to talk about how to just to be prepared to have enough food, prepared to have enough water, just learning how to just be on the alert when the unexpected happens. Now, with that being said, me personally, and I say this with love and respect to other YouTubers out there. If you got big followings, God bless you. If you're a small YouTube channel, God bless you too. But honey, let me tell you, and this the God's heaven truth. Me, Crystal Leanna Williams, I honestly can care less if about big followers, getting a big following, getting hundreds, thousands subs. Honestly, guys, no joke, I'm not interested in it. If it happens, it may happen for a long time. That's why I don't really post as much, because I got so much going on with working full time and also working on the special mini like podcast, which I'm going to actually integrate with this channel too. I'd rather have everything in one in-house, so you don't have to worry about going to another channel to, watch my podcast. It'll be integrated with this channel. But I'm not interested in competing, because it seems like YouTube has become like the what you call that, Squid Games, Hunger Games. It's like this. Let me just put it this way. I followed so many YouTubers back in the early, between 2020, when COVID was hitting bad back then, between 2020 to 2023. I followed some people, but then I saw the shift the moment they started getting a lot of subs. There were some good channels too. Some of them were finance channels too, and I saw the shift. The humility melt away. The genuineness started to melt away. So I'm not that type of content creator. I like to just do what I do here. And my only goal is whoever watches, take whatever the heck you want to take from my channels. I'm an ordinary, plain, old, ordinary, girly girl who loves coffee. I'm a coffee addict, and some wine every now and then, Then I, chill with my family and stuff. So, I don't like the I don't like the shenanigans that's happening in the YouTube culture, the backbiting, the stabbing, the backstabbing, the every time you turn around. I mean, I've heard some tragic incidents with some big content creators, and it shouldn't have even got to that point. This is like a lot of younger YouTubers. I'm like, what the heck is going on? Make your channel Get your point across. Whatever your niche is, stick with your niche. Don't sell your soul out for, you know, for hundreds of subs, and then of course once you get monetized, everything is is some people's heads gotten so big once they got monetized. Me personally, again, I make my channel when I really on my terms. To be honest, I may not be consistent, but like I said, this is a save a dollar channel. This is a family channel. This is a everyday people channel. That's what it is. Gen Zs can learn from this. Millennials can learn from this. Gen X's in our category, boomers and so forth can learn from this channel. I'm not into. I don't wear eyelashes. I don't wear makeup. On the only things fake about me is these braids, of course. But I'm just want to be just as realistic myself as possible, and I encourage you small YouTube channels to just hang in there. I've been on here 2 years actually, and for your YouTube small YouTubers, I'm rooting for you guys. I'm rooting for you guys all the way, and big channels, like I said, I don't even follow a lot of them anymore, only just 2 of them. I like Dave Ramsey, so you guys got to check out Dave Ramsey's he gives financial advice for people who are really in the rut. That's what I like about him. He doesn't cater to millionaires who are already. He's a millionaire that helps people who are like, I don't know, $100,000 debt in credit. In depth. So I like his channel. He's one of the ones I follow. I only follow about but the most of them I follow for small YouTubers because I'm a big cheerleader. But that's all I have to say. Like I said, I'm just an ordinary girl who loves coffee. Y'all see my look? Let's see what I'm drinking. It's the frozen mocha, protein mocha. Yeah, this sucker's so good too. And I'm a retired banker. I've been working in banking 21 years, so you may hear me drop banking advice on here too. So, but again, I'll say it once and I'll say it twice. I'm not here to look into scraping for subscribers, millions of subscribers. I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in I'm interested with reaching the people who are interested. That's all. I don't care if it's 10, 20, or if it's 20,000. Doesn't matter. But till then, that's all I wanted to do. Talk about. Happy Tuesday evening, and I guess I'll have some more content for you when I get up to it. Y'all have a blessed day. Good night.